Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. Please avoid going out unnecessarily and maintain social distance. So guys, before moving on, I just wanted to make clear to everyone the content of this video. This video is only for beginners. So if you guys practice as shown in the video, then I am sure that you are going to get a human face sketch really perfect. So that's the key. Practice is the main key. कैनवास नहीं, एक रफ बुक पे आप बस एक take a bowl, use it in your home. Everybody has this, so take this bowl, keep it on the rough sheet which you want to practice, and on daily basis you should do this. Just draw a circle. ये हो गया हमारा सर्कल, और इसका सेंटर पॉइंट कहाँ पे आएगा? ये आ गया इसका सेंटर पॉइंट. अप्रोक्सीमेट एक सेंटर पॉइंट बना लो, कुछ नहीं होगा. और ये we will do it. We'll take a diameter of this and extend it till the last. And now we will draw the second diameter perpendicular to this diameter. ये आ गया इसका perpendicular diameter. और इसका ये रेडियस है ना, सेंटर से डाउन सर्कल, इसका हाफ ले लो. इन दोनों का हाफ अप्रॉक्सीमेट, और हाफ को इस हाफ से इस हाफ को रेडियस बना के और एक सर्कल बनाओ. कैसे बनाओगे सर्कल? दिस वे. ऐसे एक सर्कल बन गया. ऐसे बन के एक सर्कल हो गया. और ये सरफेस को कनेक्ट करो, आउटर सरफेस. ऐसे हो गया कनेक्ट. एंड यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा ईयर्स. तो इस ईयर्स को ऑलरेडी हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया इस लाइन से इस लाइन तक. अब इसका हेड कंप्लीट करते हैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक. ये आ गया हमारा हेड का जो स्ट्रक्चर है. स्ट्रक्चर तो ऑलमोस्ट स्ट्रक्चर आ गया. तो यहाँ पे हमें वी शुड ड्रॉ आवर आईज. दिस इज द ट्रिकी पार्ट. So how do you come to know where you should draw your eyes? So first of all, take the center point of this radius and center point of this radius and draw your eyebrow. Start from here and draw your eyebrow. और बिलो दैट आईब्रो ऐसे तुम अपना आईज ड्रॉ करोगे. अरे नोज कहाँ पे आएगा? ये एक फ्रॉम योर आईज ड्रॉ a straight line until down, and then from the center point of this radius, just above this center point, just draw the ending of the nose. ऐसा होएगा nose. And where do you draw your lips? This should be the ending of your lips. And just draw a small curve and this will be, I know you people will do mistakes. Don't worry, mistakes will happen. You after practicing 100 times, I came to this level, but you people will not get this face. But you just have to keep trying. If you do your nose somewhere else here, then don't worry. Inside the circle, just above the center point of this, you just draw your nose. Try to keep it, because this is the center point, and here is the nose, here is the lips. And next, complete your drawing. आपने नोट कर लिया आपका नोज पार्ट, आईज पार्ट, लिप्स कहाँ पे आएगा. अब आप उसको एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, और लिप्स जहाँ पे आएगा वहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करो, और आईज का एंड कहाँ पे आएगा वहाँ पे भी एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस सेक. एंड योर चिन वेयर इट कम्स, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो. ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे तो. और इसका हेयर्स कहाँ पे स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ पे भी एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो. तो जब आपका सारा पैरेलल लाइंस आ गया, तो यहाँ पे आपको स्टार्ट करना होगा आपका काउंटर मार्किंग. एक काउंटर मार्किंग टेक्निक क्या होता है, आपको ऐसे काउंटर मार्क करना होता है. एंड हियर दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज द eyes counter mark. Here you just have to do a line like this and connect it to the top with a slant line. This is mountain one. This looks like a mountain, so I call it a mountain. And next, this is the second mountain, and I end it just before the line. This is done. So this became my nose, and then I draw the second mountain here, and the third mountain will come like this. So this is the side portion. Just if you focus and do it properly, this nose will be a little longer. That's not an issue, but you just have to adjust it in such a way that it looks like a side pose, and extend it up to this line, and this becomes your side face. And complete the hairs. And here the eyes, you have to just draw a triangle here, this becomes your side pose. And this is how you draw the side pose of the human face. So more advanced, if you keep on practicing, you will come to know that there are different typical structures of human face, like this, the first mountain, like this, the second mountain, and the nose. And practice it daily and extend the nose, or do whatever trial and error methods you want to do, and this will become the face shape. After several attempts of practicing, you'll come to this level. This is beginner and this is somewhat amateur. So this is how you keep on practicing on this basis. This plan should be, you should keep on practice for 1 month, and then you'll somehow can come up with the actual structure of the eyes.